What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is my weekly tech pickup series, and this is for the 17th of March through the 24th of March. This is everything that I've either picked up or been sent in this week. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I believe this is something like episode 20 or something like that, so we've done quite a few of these. They tend to be getting a little more popular, and if you want to keep seeing these, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe a comment saying, yeah, keep it up, I like this, and I'll continue to do these. So let's just dive right in. So let's go, and some of this is going to be some EDC content, because I've got some EDC stuff coming up. So, you know, all of this stuff kind of coagulates into future content that you're going to see. So let's go ahead and dive in, and we've got a super cool leather. This is a Horween leather key organizer or key clip from Nomad. It's got the Horween leather here. It's very, very nice hook, and it's got a little loop here too. So high quality stuff from Nomad. Also sticking with Nomad, we've got a leather, again, Horween leather money clip, and this is a magnetic money clip. Very good magnet. There we go, behind the camera. As you can see, it's a nice magnetic clip. That thing's got some good magnetism. You put some bills in this thing, it's like the jaws of life. Is like a snapping turtle. It ain't gonna let go. Your money's gonna be safe and secure. So again, that's a little money clip from Nomad, and they come with these little nice little pull string pouches in case you want to store them for whatever reason. So pretty nice. Some DJI accessories. The overpriced. What is this? This is like the microphone, 3.5 millimeter microphone adapter for the DJI Pocket. Well overpriced, like $60 for this thing. So yeah, but we're gonna have a DJI Pocket video coming up, and some really cool accessories to go with it. And then, speaking of, this is the Osmo Pocket controller wheel, another DJI accessory. We're going to be hopefully bringing in some other third-party, not DJI, but some third-party accessory makers for the Pocket to try to compare and see which is better and which is cheaper. And I can tell you right now, it's not going to be DJI that's cheaper. All right. So we got another key organizer here. Now, if you've seen my Orbit key video here like a month or so ago, Orbit Key reached out and said, hey, we see you got version 1 of our organizer. Would you like version 2? And I was like, well, sure, send me version 2. So this is version 2.0. I'm going to probably do a follow-up and see the difference between version 1 and version 2. This is a real nice leather organizer, as you can see. Very, very nice. Then we've got, so this is a new video I got coming up too. This is just some accessories for it. These are like 5 half, what are these, half feet? Yeah, half foot flat Ethernet cables. You know, more to come on that. Nothing real fancy, but you'll like what you're gonna, the end result, where we're gonna go with these. Okay, so these just came in. Then probably the most expensive item this week is the VideoMicro. This is the Rode compact on camera microphone, and this is going to be a DJI Pocket Osmo setup kind of thing. So more to come with the Rode VideoMicro, and this works with cameras too, not just the Pocket. So we'll actually check this out. And then something that's not so super interesting is the S-beaners. These are dual carabiners, again for a EDC video coming up that you will get to see. So not a whole lot of like cool kick butt tech this week, but definitely some items that you're going to probably be seeing here in the near future in some videos that have some themes and other things that work together content wise. So just tons of stuff going on here at the show, so stay tuned. All this stuff, again, check the show notes. I'll have links for all of this stuff if you're interested in going out and picking it up for yourself, reading more about it. Any of this you see like, wow, I could use that, then, you know, sure, go out. You know, maybe you didn't know there was half-foot flat Ethernet cables, right? So those are going to come in handy for some things we got showing up pretty soon. Anyway, guys, again, check the show notes for links. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Again, if you want to keep seeing this series, make a comment, say, yeah, I really like it, keep it going, and we'll try to do so. Subscribe to the show, hit the little notification bell so you'll get notified that when we do post more videos. We've got a lot of videos coming up, guys. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.